Today I'm going to show you how to upload a practice or performance video into Upbeat for any band class. I'm using beginner band as an example just because it's the first one that's listed in my band hours. So what you're going to do is you will go to updates, and from updates you're going to click on this link, Mozart Melody Practice Link. If you're intermediate band, it'll say Some Nights Practice Link, and then if you are in advanced band, it'll be March Regal Practice Link. It'll take you to this screen right here. You are going to click continue. Even if you're not wearing headphones, you're going to click that you are. I recommend that you do at least plug headphones in and listen, because you'll hear a lot more that way, and then the computer won't be so focused on the sounds going on around you. It'll just focus on you playing. So I have my first and last name, which you have to type in, otherwise how am I supposed to know who you are? And then you're going to choose your instrument. Let's pretend that I play, I don't know, the Barry saxophone. I'm going to leave it as part 1. I'm not going to change what part it is. And then I push continue. All of this is going to remain the same. Please don't touch any of this. This is not something that needs to be dealt with. Now what you'll see is you'll see a box with you, and then you'll see the screen below that, which is me recording. And this will only look like this for beginning and intermediate band. Advanced band, it's just going to be a constant click for you. It's just going to be a metronome set for that. And when I push start recording, and I don't think you can hear this from your end, but it's going to count 8 counts. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. It sets the tempo up for you. 3, 4, and then you start playing at that same tempo, and you'll follow with me. When I push stop recording, I have the opportunity to listen back, redo, or continue. I think this is something that shows up for you as well, but mine is going to look different. You can preview it after you move the sound waves back and forth if they're not where you think they need to be. You can always redo it. Once you hit submit, it is submitted to me. You are totally allowed to submit more than one thing. If you're not happy with the original one that you submitted, you can submit more than one. But please make sure that you are submitting these. Gotta love the bells. That you are submitting these so I know that you're playing your instrument and you are choosing to be a part of the online Upbeat concert. So if you have issues or questions beyond that, reach out to me and I will try to help clear the air as best as possible.